trade. All right, we're gonna record a live trade. It's 9:30. We are in a 1 hour fair value gap. There is liquidity here, so we might try to take that first before reversing, but I don't know. Also on the 15-minute, we have a 15-minute fair value gap above that liquidity. So yeah, we want to wait for a reversal out of this gap here. So we'll also draw that. And that's where I want my reversal from. So I hope we come into here first on the lower time frame, which is looking like it. We do have an opening gap too. Alrighty. And it's gonna bounce off these EMAs and then it's gonna reverse, hopefully. And then obviously we have a bunch of liquidity down here to target. Alright, liquidity swept. Not in that gap yet. Let's go on the 5-minute. Yeah, the 5-minute gap lines up as well. The 5-minute gap is here. So I would love for us to come up in here before we take any trades. We have no news until 11:45 or something. So we did sweep liquidity though. But I don't know. Sometimes like you'll get liquidity sweep reversal and then it'll fake you out and still go back up here. Sometimes it will just leave without you. So hopefully it does still come up here. 5-minute, 15-minute gap, all right there. And/or we'll put our stop above this hoe if we get in early. So there's that. There is that. I mean, I like that hammer though. So, I don't know. That is a nice hammer. And we did sweep liquidity, so. Wait, does this? See how this. Did we get an IFEG on here somewhere? Not quite. We need to close below. Oh, do get an IFEG. I'm gonna. Oh, I'm scared. But I'm gonna get in.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Alrighty. Ooh. I wanna move. Fuck. Come on, I wanna move it. Ooh, that's a lot of points. However. Yeah, that's a lot of points. I don't think I should have done that. We do get an IFEG in the 1 minute. We don't need much. We did get a liquidity sweep. I feel like the 5-minute is holding as well over here, as you see. So we got a 1 minute IFEG. I think we can push to the downside. Bad risk to reward, but I don't care. Whoa! Just kidding. I like that. I like that. Okay, don't be like me. Move your stop back to this high. Quick trade. Oh, edged our TP. Edged our TP, but it's gonna hit it. Ooh. That's not fun. I need to take a screenshot of that. It literally edged our TP, y'all. Oh my gosh. It edged our TP on the 1 minute, y'all. By like a literal tick. A literal tick. I don't care. I am moving my stop above this. I don't care. This 5-minute gap. I don't care. I've seen it do this before though. Edge, come back up, come back down. It has done this to me so many times. I've recorded trade recaps of this happening, where it just edges our TP and then comes back in this fair value gap, and then push. We have liquidity down here and a gap down here. We should at least go down to here. If I'm not tripping, we should at least go down to here. So again, people are like, oh, bad risk reward. You gotta let the trade play out. I've learned this is like my mental stop loss. All right, swing high. We can move our stop honestly to here. Let's see how we react. I hate when it edges my TP and comes back, but it is what it is. It's a good trade, and we're done. We're done. So yeah, the live trading actually worked very beautifully, and I love that. Let's show the account wins, and yeah, a good $3,700 day done in 3 minutes. Life is good. Life is good. Life is great.